Are you ready?
Ta-da!
Are you ready for Peaches? Peaches! What do you think about that?
Is it delicious? Yum. Look what's coming.
You want some more?
No, dear.
Oh, you have a mustache now. Oh, there you go.
Oh, pardon me.
Okay,
Let
no
me get
hands.
that.
No hands.
I think he likes it.
He likes it. He likes it.
It would all be coming out if you didn't like it.
Tasty.
Good. Alright.
Num, 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 num. Give me more.
One more spoonful.
You can't take it away. I'm going to get angry. Oh my goodness, look at this. I'm not a good driver, am I? No. Yeah. Oh, tasty. One last little lick. Is that good? Is that good? It's all over your face now. Silly. Are you feeling sticky? Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. That was a fast breakfast mix. Look at that. Oh, it's even chunkier now. Num 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 num.
Delicious.
Yum num num num.
Yay, baby likes peaches.
Baby like peaches. Do you want some more?
You have such big spoonfuls.
Sorry, pal.
It's fine.
It's hard to get a small spoonful.
It's possible.
Alright, there you go. You may wipe if you wish. Ready for another one? Okay, yeah.